That's why I have a Scion XB as a daily. Could fit a whole AMG body kit. Good stuff. Unfortunately, the fog lights off my original bumper don't work for this bumper. Probably just gonna put a mesh shield behind it to kind of cover up the fog light hole, and maybe later on I'll buy the proper fog lights for it and put it in. So pretty much what I'm doing to fit the bumper is stick a bolt through with a little paste on it through there, and then it marks the hole. Then I drill out the hole, and then I'm gonna put the bolt in through here, and then from the back of here I put a nut and tighten it up where it needs to be. I got both holes measured out and drilled out. I'm gonna line these up now, put it on the bumper, and hopefully it all fits good. So I got it fully mounted. There's a gap right here that I can't really do anything about. I'm probably gonna just put like rubber on the bottom here so it doesn't have this hole. Same on this side a little bit, but other than that, it fits pretty good. Looks pretty good. So front bumper is fully installed. I'm gonna start on the side skirts now. It should just be like a bunch of clips and bolts on the bottom. Just take that off and then fit the new ones on. So yeah. So this was like super annoying to do, but it took a long time to figure out how to take these side skirts off. Pretty much you have to take off this piece on the fender right here, and to do that there's a screw right here, and then there's two bolts back in there under the fender right here, and then it has these clips like this where you pretty much have to slide the whole thing back and then it pops out. So you slide it back and then pop it out, and then underneath the side skirt there's a bunch of bolts, little 8 mils. Pop all those off. A couple bolts here, one right here, screw. And then in here you have to pretty much take off all of the interior door jamb pieces. They're all on clips. There's one screw that goes right here, and then there's a clip right here, and you can just kind of pop off this piece, and then the other piece is bolted on to the side skirt. So you have to peel back this rubber piece on the side skirt. It goes along here, peel it back, then more 8 mil bolts, unbolt them all. Then you have to take off this corner piece. You just kind of pry it out from here and then just pull on it to get them off the clips. There's one more bolt under there, and then the side skirt should come out. It's on the jack right now, but yeah, that took me like a good hour to figure out how to do this. I thought I had to take off the whole fender, but you don't need to. So yeah, if anybody else is doing this, hope that helps. I'm gonna put on the new one now. On a couple screws on the top here. I just brought it up, drilled it out, drilled some holes out, put on a couple screws, and then underneath, I'm gonna have to drill a bunch of holes underneath as well. Just line them up, drill it, screw in a screw, and it should all be good. It fits pretty well. Like the length and everything, it's super flush right here and stuff. So nice side skirts. So they also include this piece right here, and it goes into the back of the side skirt and kind of covers up that hole so no dirt gets in here and stuff. And you just tap it in to the side skirt, and there's one spot on the car that you mount it to. And yeah, it should look something like this when you got it all together. That. See how it covers up that hole so no dirt gets in there. So yeah, you just tap it to the side skirt and then tap it to the frame of the car. So got the side skirt pretty much on. Left a few bolts off, but it's tight on there. Nice and stable. Nice and sturdy. This piece is not on all the way yet, so because it's kind of annoying to take off, so I don't want to put it on all the way. But there we go. Not a huge difference, but if you compare it to the other side, definitely flares out more, just a little bit. Yeah, it's more aggressive flare, but pretty subtle. You can even put this rubber piece back on, which I find really cool. Kind of covers up the hardware. Super nice. So this side went along way faster. Since I did it before, the hard part is just taking off the OEM side skirt. This new side skirt fits really well. You just drill some holes and tap it to where the screws were. And yeah, it fits pretty good. Length is right. Overall, so far, it's a pretty well-fitting body kit. These tow hook, or these toe things are not attached. You have to glue them on. So you can't use this jack point anymore, which is okay. I never use it anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna get to the rear bumper now. So to remove the rear bumper, you got go in your trunk, and there's 2 bolts down there, and there's a nut right here, right there, and the same thing on the other side, and then the rear bumper will come off. So rear bumper's on, fits really good, super straight, no waves, nothing. It's just laying here right now, not mounted. But yeah, already the gaps look really good. Everything fits nice. It's just sitting on here, and it already looks good. Pretty much, I'm just gonna go through the existing holes and just tap a couple tap-ins through here, and just tap it in place, and it'll hold fine. And then yeah, I'm gonna send this car off to paint soon. I also got an AMG muffler that I'm gonna install in a later video. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Got the rear mounted spoiler just taped on here just to see how it is gonna look. That looks so dope. So the kit is fully mounted, fits very well. One of the best fitting kits I've ever had. I'd like to give a big thanks to Classic Euro Parts for the body kit. They have a huge selection of kits for different Euro cars, and they have aftermarket stuff and OEM stuff, whole bunch of stuff. Check out their website. I'll leave it in the description below. And if you guys want to pick up some nice kits or some nice good quality parts, they usually ship things out very fast, worldwide shipping. I got my kit within like a week, and they're located in Europe and I'm in the States. They shipped it over in like a week. It got here super fast, no damage. And yeah, I wouldn't promote them if I didn't first test out the kit myself. So I tested it out. It fits very well, as you guys can see. Very minimal tweaking was needed. It pretty much just went right on. So yeah, big shout out to them. Check them out, guys. And check out how nice this car looks now.